Nigel, an African gray parrot with a British accent, escaped from his Torrance, California home, owned by Briton Darren Chick. Known for mimicking phrases like "I love you," the bird was bought at a garage sale by an elderly couple who named him Morgan. African greys, with cognitive skills like a young child's, can learn up to 1,000 words. With the Hernandez family, Nigel bonded with Ruben, a Guatemalan immigrant, learning Spanish phrases like "¿Qué pasó?" and whistling the good, the bad, and the ugly theme. He also mimicked the family's dogs, showcasing his adaptability to new sounds in a bilingual home. Nigel later escaped again, landing with dog groomer Julissa Sperling, chattering in Spanish. Veterinarian Teresa Miko, alerted by online ads, scanned his microchip, identifying Chick. The microchip, a vital pet ID tool, reunited Nigel after years apart. Chick confirmed Nigel's identity, but learned of Ruben's bond, viewing the parrot as a memory of his late wife. Touched, Chick gifted Nigel back to the Hernandezes, allowing Ruben's visits to continue, a story that went viral, highlighting pet microchipping.